worry about where to put items such as plastic wrap or paper towel, or can't find it when you want to use it? Don't worry, today I'm going to recommend WGO's high-quality storage products, paper towel holder wall mount. It can help us solve these problems very well, and we can reuse it and you don't have to worry about it going back quickly because paper towel holder wall mounts are washable and reusable. Installation is also very convenient. No need to drill holes in the wall to visit. It will not damage the original wall. You just need to stick paper towel holder wall mounts on a clean and smoothy wall.